Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 8 of my 8 out of 8 earring series tutorial of easy beaded earrings to make. And this is what we're making today. It's really easy to follow along. I'm using the dollar bead box for April of 2024, and I do have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first order with them. I will leave the link to Dollar Bead Box below as well as the coupon code. You have to check out their website if you're not familiar with it. They're beautiful, beautiful beads. So I'm using the check glass twisted oval, the 7x10s. There was 8 pieces in this month's box, and then I'm using 1 out of the 2 of the check glass twisted oval, this 10x12 millimeter, sapphire opal and crystal. Yeah, and these were the 7x10. Then I'm using the check glass Druck rainbow AB. These are 4 millimeters. I think that's which ones these are. Yeah, they're 4 millimeters. Then I just have some 11.0 sparkly silver Miyuki seed beads. So I'm going to put some of those down here just to start with. And then I have wire guard, and I have a silver ear wire. And let me put this piece of paper away. And then I'm using the Beetle on Wildfire. I'm using this one in case if you want to take a screenshot of it. And I'm using a number 10 beading needle. So we are going to start, this has got 3 layers in this one. So I'm just starting with the blue and then putting the black Druck bead in between to start with. So, and I'm using the smaller ones. So I'm just doing the blue, the black, the blue, black. I'm doing 4 of each. Okay, so this is what I'm starting with, and I'm bringing this all the way down like this. And I'm going to tie a knot, and then I'm going to do a double knot here. 1 and 2. Now I know some people put bead their they leave a longer tail and then they put a needle on it and they weave it back through afterwards. I don't do that a lot on earrings. Sometimes I do, it just depends. So now I'm going to go through this one more time, but I leave that thread because I'm going to tie one more knot, and I feel like that's a really good secure thing. Okay, so I'm doing this. I got my, because I'm left-handed, this always gets caught on my mat. Okay, so I went through one more time. So now I'm going to do one more circle or one more knot. So I'm going to do this once, and I'm going to do this twice. 1 and 2. And let me see here. Okay. So here we have this. I'm going to take my bent chain nose pliers and just give it a little tug like this. So now just showing you that the part of the dangle will be coming up through around the black Druck bead. So I'm going to take my cutters and I'm going to just cut that a little bit right here to begin with. And now I'm going to bring this through one more time. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 11 seed beads and I'm going to put it through here, go in, and then through there again. So I'm coming up through here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one seed bead and I'm going to go through the drop bead so that sticks up like that, and then so I'm basically just putting a seed bead between each bead, and that way it will stick up and the drop bead will be laying down flatter. So we're doing this and we're doing this. And this. Like this. Kind of come into here. And then to the truck. There we go. That's where that knot was. Okay, and then we're going to go through this, and then we'll be done with these. We're going to come out. There we go. Okay, so now we have those. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this, let me see, it's coming through here. I'm going to bring this forward here. Now I'm going to pick up, and I'm just going to be going through the big blue beads. So I'm going to pick up 1, 2, 3 of these, and I'm going to skip over the drop bead and just come through this. So then when it lays, kind of move it down so that it lays down in front like that. Okay, then I'm going to do 3 more. 1, 2, 3, and just position it as you go around like this. Pull that through and then push that down like that so that it kind of, see how it kind of, you can see a little bit of the black but not a lot. And you do 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And you come up through there. And go like that. And I'm bringing that forward. And then I'm going to do 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to go through here. One second. There we go. Okay. So see how those are all in the front now? Like that. So now I have them up like this. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to take 1, 2, 3. I'm going to come up the 1. Let me show you. I'm going to come up that 1 and then I'm going to go through 2 more. I'm going to bring it through here and then 2, then the ear wire, and then come back down around. Okay, so I am right here. So now I'm going to go through this 1 seed bead right there, like that. Then I'm going to grab 2 more, like that. I'm going to grab this, kind of get it all in line. And I'm going to grab 2 more of the 11-0 seed beads. I'm going to grab an ear wire. Make it through here. Go down. I'm going to come back down through it again. I haven't pulled it tight yet. Then I'm going to grab 2 more seed beads. Let me dump a few more out. Okay, so I'm grabbing 2 more. Then I'm going to come back through here like that. And I'm going to go through and do all that again. So that's like that. And then I'm going to grab 2 more. 1, 2. And I'm going to come back down through this right here. Okay. I'm going to pull all that taut and start to maneuver it, make sure it's in place. Yes, and it looks like it is. Now I'm going to go through this one more time. So I'm going to lift this up. I'm going to go through this druck bead once. Pull this through and see how that just kind of centers all that like that. Then I'm going to go up through the 3 seed beads. 1, 2, and 3. Wait, let me get this here. 1, 2, and 3. And then if I could shoot that up through there. Okay. We're going up through there. Now I'm going to go up through these couple seed beads here and the ear wire. Let me see, let me get this like this. 2 seed beads and the ear wire. Make sure it goes through the ear wire, because if not, it's not going to lay right, and Lord knows we've all done that before. Then we're going to come down to make sure it goes down that little guard like that, and then you could put it through the big one. And then if you could get it right down through those, I call that party time. Okay. Let me see. Okay, I'm just going to bring it down through here and I'll do the last one. And then through here. Well, that goes like that. So here we have that. So now I'm going to go through the blue. And I'm going to do this one more time. Go through the blue and then go through, even though I didn't do them together on the first one, then I'm going to do the druck bead and the Miyuki bead. The druck bead and then the seed bead. Go back down, then into that, and come out, doing that. It kind of just goes around by itself. See, and it just kind of resets all of that stuff there. And then just kind of maneuver your needle through. Let me see here. There we go. Get that through there. Gets a little angry sometimes. Over there. And then through the blue one more time. Over here. And through the seed bead. And then this. Like that. And then do the seed bead. And then I'm going to do, okay, so now I have these. Now I'm going to do my knot. I'm just going to do a single knot to start with. And then I'm going to do 1, 2. Just make sure when you pull it straight that it goes over the actual knot, like that. Then I'm going to bring this up through the blue one again, like that. And I have this. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to tie it. I'm going to cut it back there. Okay. So now I have this. I'm kind of making it a little more oblong. So this is the front of it, like that. And now I'm going to take my ear wire, open it up, and I want it to go so that, because this is the front of the earring, so I wanted to make sure that it is in the front, because I have those other extra seed beads right in the front to kind of blend all that in. So then just kind of make sure you fix the wire in there however you need to show it like this. And how cute are these earrings? An easy pair of earrings that you could use to, I don't know, give as a gift or wear yourself. So again, this is using the dollar bead box of April 2024. And I do have a code BN Jewelry 2 for $2 off your first order with them. And I will leave a link below to their website, as long as links to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Pinterest, and my Facebook. And let me know down in the comments what you think of these, and if you think you might try making these. And I will see you on my next video, and you have a great day. Thank you.